Hello BBT, my name is Jerome from Montreal. This is my first video recap ever. Today I took two trades, one on DKS and one on DLTR stock. DKS was gapping up 12% in the pre-market, so I had an idea to go long on that stock. And when I saw a big print at 44 right there, I decided to go long, and the price just go up, spike up at 44.50. I just took out 50% of my position right there and put my stop at break even. The price just got me out there and decided to wait a little, and when I saw that little wedge there breaking up over the VWAP, I decided, and also that pressure up on the 5-minute chart, decided to go long again, putting my stop right under that candlestick there, and wait where the price will go. My target was 45.50, and I took partial up the right there to do a final of 2.4R plus 1R there, so very happy with this this morning. In the same time, DLTR was gapping down in the pre-market, I guess 13% down. I saw this wonderful wick called the Rising Devil. I missed that move, but when I saw this print there at 95.83, I just decided to go short right under that price and took the right down. My stop was placed right over that 1-minute stick there, and I got out at 10% there at 93.50, and all out just above the 9 EMA on the first minute chart. So that's it for me. I'm feeling very well with that those two trades. Hope that someone gets something in my video recap. See you tomorrow in the chat.